Good day, everyone. My name is Shola Emmanuel. I'm 30 years old. We are currently working on a project named School Management System.
My name is Maryam Kadri. I'm from Group B, and we are working on a project named School Management System. The importance of this project is that it helps school to keep data. It helps the school with the registration of students and teachers, and it also helps the school with payments and finance.
We identified that most schools have challenges in keeping accurate records. That's why my team and I decided to work on this project.
In this project, we use UI and Python. The registration, we build a registration form, and we have the payment, the courses, the few details, and the class. So for you to register, you need to enter. We have your name. You enter your name. We have the courses. We have courses we offer for junior secondary schools and senior secondary schools. We also have classes. We offer classes from JSS1 to SS3.
This is the front end of the project. This is the registration from the first name, which I can type my name inside, the middle name and your surname, and also your email. Now we have the courses we offer, the courses for junior secondary school, the mathematics and other subjects, the courses for senior secondary school and other subjects. Now we have classes offered. We offer classes from JSS1 to SS3. So this is just the result of the project.
Our school management system is still under development. We want to add more features to it and launch it to the public.